Hey guys, so it's me Dulpreet here and you're welcome to my channel. So at first I would like you to ask to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And also let's get to the another topic. So today's video is all about creating a Kaftan style kurta with Dupattas available at your home. So for that, let's get into the video. So first up here what I have is a dupatta which is of no use to me, and then I have bought 1 meter fabric of the same color. Firstly I have cut the fabric equally lengthwise, and then I have put both of the cut pieces together and then stitched over from the above, leaving 0.5 inches. So at the end this will give me 2 meter length that I'll be using as a lining in my kurti. So this is the dupatta. I'm opening the dupatta and I'll be keeping that lining part inside, matching the edges to the other edges. Also make sure that there is no extra part of the fabric coming out from the sides or the downside. As you can see here, the fabric at the downside is extra. So what I'll do is I will cut off the extra fabric. I have opened the first layer and then I have started cutting off the fabric in this manner. Also you can see how much I have cut it off. You will also be needing some pins to secure it. So let's see how to secure with pins. So what you have to do is you have to take the lining and then fix it around the corners first, and then you can just fold it like ½ inch or 0.25 inches and take the pins and secure both the lining and the main fabric or dupatta with the pins. This way you have to cover up all the sides, that is all the 4 sides, the length and the width, because we will be stitching all over this. Now you can see this closely how I have merged it together, and also onto the front part you cannot even see the fabric, right? So this way you have to do it very neatly, and over this portion we will be stitching. And once you start stitching, you just need to remove the all pins, and that's it. So basically we have secured all the sides using all pins, and the next step will be you just have to again fold it and keep it. As you can see, we have secured all the sides to the pin, and now you have to stitch along that sides. So here you can see the stitch lines that I have made using the machine. So this is how it looks like, and we have folded the fabric inwards just because so that it gives us a proper finished look. So for the cutting of neck, what you can do is you just need to put your kurta and then mark the shoulders, and after that you can also mark the depth of the neckline. The back neck would be 3 inches and the front neck will be 6 to 7 inches, and then give the shape accordingly you want, round, U or V. After that, cut it off, leaving 0.5 inches, and that 0.5 inches we will be folding inside and then securing it along the pin. So I will be giving kurta the kaftan style. So for that you have to take 10 inches from above and mark a point, and from the bottom 6 inches and then mark a point. And then what you have to do is you have to draw the line. From side you have to take 1 inch, as you can see over here, and then you have to stitch this line. The next step will be the another cream color dupatta that I was having. So I will just fold it again, and as you can see over here, the length of this dupatta is more than the length of actual kurta, so that doesn't matter much. And after that, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking the width of the dupatta and I will start to make the pleats. This way you will have to arrange the pleats. After this, onto the shoulder point, secure it using all pins, and you have to stitch over that line so that the pleated dupatta gets adjusted. So this is how it will look like after stitching, and then this will be permanently attached to your kurta. Then next what I will be doing is I'll be making a belt. For that I have bought a lace. Then I'll mark a point at 17 inches from above onto that kaftan 1 inch stitch. So as you can see here, I will be marking points just near to that kaftan stitch from 17 to 18 inch, that is overall 1 inch. And I'll be doing the same onto the other side, making 1 inch. And then after that we will cut it off using the scissor on the both sides. And when we are done with cutting, what you can do is you can pass this lace through it and take it out from the other side. Also here you can see that kaftan stitch with the white thread. So this is how you have to make the kaftan stitch. Now we have passed the lace from the other side as well, and you can tie it up according to your waist. And then the kurta is ready.